This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and an auxiliary power outlet. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
All American Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 520 River Street in Hackensack.